green body and a red underside. I'm not sure what sort of parrot that is. Is that a king parrot? I think it will fly if I go too close. Let's try. See how close I can get. Goodness, it's coming towards me. Look at this. Well, hello, parrot. How are you? Well, are you a tame parrot, are you? You a tame parrot? You're a beautiful looking bird, aren't you? You certainly are. I want to get the other side of you because I think you've got the sunlight behind you and that makes it hard to see your colours. There, that's better, isn't it? Oh, what a shame.